episode of Trading with Eric. Yeah, Easy the Oracle. It is June 9th, 2029. It's Tuesday. All right. 2026. See, I'm all up. I'm back to the future. Yep, so I'm back to the future. Let's talk about this market. Okay, so we've been on an upward trend. The daily candle is green. We actually been hovering around the 61.8, and it haven't breached it all night. It just breached it this now, but it's trickling back down. So we've been kind of in this range within the Friday's daily candle. So we kind of ranging in between this candle here. So if we break the 61.8, we'll be going to the upside. It's really trying to break this 61.8. It breached it, it came back down. If it breaks it again, then we're looking for loans, but it's very hesitant right there to get back to all-time highs, which is right here. I still got the same Fibonacci on the Friday candle because we ranging within the daily candle from Friday. So the 61.8 is going to be a very important range for this daily candle right here. If it breached, then we're looking for longs. If it don't, then it may come trickling down and looking for shorts. Now, this is going to be the daily candle, yesterday's daily candle high, yesterday's daily candle low. The 15-minute orb is set. It actually broke the 15-minute orb and it come back down. So we within the 15-minute orb right here. Yeah, so that's where we at right now. We got about 4 more minutes before the 9 o'clock candle. What's your thoughts?
Yeah, I'm with you. I marked out all my key levels. My fib is still set on Friday's candle.
Yeah, I think Friday candle is important.
Yeah, because we ranging within the 50% and 61%. So until we break that, we've been consolidating in that area. But until we break that, then we should have some clear direction.
Right.
I like to wait till the 9:15 candle, 9:30 candle.
9:15,
confirmation.
9:30 candle, yeah.
Some people may consider that being late, but
no, it's
a safe play for me, right?
Well, look at that 8 o'clock candle. So it is kind of strange because, okay, we know that the 9 o'clock usually a reversal of the 8 o'clock candle. Now the 8 o'clock candle have turned red. So...
And indecisive at this point.
I know.
That's more like a neutral.
Yeah, neutral.
Candle.
So we got 3 more minutes before the 9 o'clock candle. And the thing about it is we done tapped up here. We done tapped up here actually on the hourly chart, we done tapped up here 3 times and it rejected. Now it broke out like it's grabbing liquidity and coming down. Because this is our daily high. That's where all your sellers at right here. Got a lot of sellers right there. We breach this and it becomes resistance. But right now we right below it. So if we break, I'm thinking if for a short, if we break down here to the orb, then that'll be a short opportunity right here. We break and keep going down. My target will probably be right down here by the 38.2 or maybe down there by London lows.
Let me see.
That's London? Yeah, that's Asia lows down there. We got Asia lows right at 29,305.
What did I put it on there, please? Okay, so go to the 15-minute, and if we... Okay, so if we come out of the orb... Okay, so we would be... You know what? In order for me to take this short, we would definitely have to come out of the orb, and I would say if we break London lows, because it may tap it and then go back up.
Go back up, yeah.
But that's at around the 50%. Look, This London lows here, that's 50%. It could possibly hit that and then go back. We don't know.
Right.
But if we break that, that's why I'll be looking to take a short at.
You.
And I think if we're going to take a long, we need a candle to close outside of the orb in the 61.80.
Yeah. Got about 10 seconds. She coming on down. She coming on down.
And it's crazy because the box that I had out yesterday, that's what we had. Well, like we just breaking that box right now. Okay, we're breaching the orb.
Ooh. 9 o'clock candle coming in to go straight down.
Oh, I'm not even on the hourly. Let's see.
I'm on a 5 minute, it come down.
Okay.
But you know what they say. They come in a little bitty tiny wick at the top of that.
I would like to see it tap around the 50% though for a week.
Right,
but it may not do that.
Just again, it may be that.
Let's see. That's the EMA. Okay. Damn, but we're squeezing back up.
Yeah.
Yep, I would have liked to see it touch the 50% of the fib. Then come back up. We got a decent wick there.
Just maybe that like that reversal candle that we always talk about.
Yeah, and the thing is, it's almost so scared to take a early entry because we done got fucked up in this stuff before. Okay, but looks like on the lower time frame, the 5 minute look like the EMA holding. The 5 minute, it looked like we really set up for a short.
Short, yeah.
But we can't really go by that.
We waiting. Yeah, it looked like a long. Because it tapped down there by London. You see how it tapped down there by London? And that's the 15-minute orb. And it went outside, but it's going back up.
No, is that London? No, my London is lower.
8:30. I'm sorry, that's New York session, so that's gonna be the 8:30 candle.
Yeah, it looks like it's set up. But let's see though.
It would have to go outside of the daily, like it would have to go outside the orb at this point. Like, I mean, close to the orb, out there by the daily, wait for at least.
That's what I'm saying, around the 50% area.
Yep.
I'll be ready to take a short.
Yep.
But look like we gonna range. It's so crazy the way this market run. This the same box that I had from yesterday. And it's inside of that box. Yeah. That's crazy. Market go from zone to zone. That's why it's very important to mark out all your key levels.
Yep. Let's go. What we go do? So early, man. It's like it's a new 4-hour candle.
With the EMA right now. Let me get off the 5 minute chart. I don't want to hang over there. Which one you on?
This is 15, a 4-hour chart right here. And I mean, look at that trend though. That trend is an upward trend. That 8 o'clock, this was a indecisive candle, but bruh, it hit the 50 and it's going all the way up. Now, if it breached this up here.
You talking about this hourly candle hit the 50?
I'm talking about the 4-hour.
Okay, let me go to that
Look at that 4-hour chart. Don't that 4-hour chart look like a long?
Yeah, it does.
And it looked like it's about to hit this daily high right there.
It does, but we had 3 green candles in this. The last 4-hour candle was an indecisive candle. That's considered a bearish candle.
Yeah.
It is considered a bearish candle. That's why I say I want to see it go to the orb at 61.80.
Yeah.
That's the only way I'll probably take a line. Like I say, I know that's probably a late entry, but that's safe for me.
That's safe.
Yeah. That's crazy.
Look at her, y'all. So she hanging out. But look at the 1
Let's see
minute.
if-
The 1 minute look like a short though.
Yeah, if the build out, because
Yeah.
look, the high of the 8 o'clock candle is up. Yeah, that's where it start building out. The smaller time frames always kind of give you a different story.
Yeah.
But it also trick you out your trade every time too.
Every time. Trick you out
Okay,
your
so we
trade
out
every
the
time.
box.
Okay.
We are no, not quite. Not quite. Nope. Squeeze back in. Look like we're trying to approach the orb.
Yeah. We're approaching the orb.
Okay, so wait, so on the this 4 hour chart, look, that's the VWAP we on top of. Look, you see?
Yeah.
Right on it and
tapped
rejected that,
rejected
yeah.
it.
Okay, so that's confirmation. I mean, if it don't break that. Let's see. I'm just hopping from chart to chart.
Damn, that it looked like a nice little longy
What
dog.
you think, baby?
Long. I mean, I just thinking it right here.
Right.
Right
a
in
5
this
minute?
area. This a
That's a
15 minute.
Okay.
15 minute within inside the orb looked like a long to me.
It does.
At this point.
We got to get over. So this is a zone I have two marked out at 29,697. Yeah, that's dead smack in the middle of this box. But that's the 9 EMA holding right there.
So it's in between the 9 EMA and the VWAP, right?
From the
50.
15 minute chart, we're in between the 9 EMA and the 50 EMA.
Yeah, 9 EMA here, 50 EMA. So we're right in between both of them.
But the 4 hour is the VWAP. It's on top of the VWAP. So let's see. Let's see. A little patience this morning. Yeah. Are we gonna hold it or are we gonna break it?
See, this is where you sit on your hands and wait. Because again, we just looking for a little piece, so we can't get caught up in this chop.
Right. That's it.
We have to see clear direction. If we don't see clear direction, then we go just put our hands up and walk away. But if we see clear direction, then we'll take the trade. Other than that, right now, within the orb, it's going up, it's going down, it's going up, it's going down. There's no clear direction. Right now we got the long wick, small body right here on the last 5 minute candle. So
indecisive.
But I mean, it looked like on the 5 minute we got
a short.
Looked like a short.
Well, wait, that 5 minute candle, the indecisive candle,
it popped outside, but it didn't close outside the orb.
Yeah, but that's an indication for a continuation down.
Down, yeah, it is. It does.
Yeah. I can't get that indicator to stay on this chart. Okay, there we go. I can't get it to stay on.
The daily candle is a nice solid green, but it's trickling down, y'all.
The daily. Let me take a look at the daily. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's green, but it's just trickling down.
Okay, it's damn.
That's why it's so hard at this point, because the whole session been kind of going up, but now we looking at we know that the 9 o'clock candle is always more of a reversal candle, but the market been trending up. That's what makes me think that it's, we've been trending up.
The higher time frame, the daily look like it's set up for a long.
For a long, yeah. Daily look like it's set up for a long.
We in between on the Fibonacci. We in between the 61.80 and the 50%.
Yep.
That's
so
what we tussling with.
That's what we tussling with. So if we go in this, plus we hit the top of the the daily candle from
Yeah.
yesterday. So the box theory,
Yesterday's high, right?
the box
So
theory would tell you that this gonna be a
we looking
short.
for a short, right.
So the
Just
box
remember,
theory is a short.
yep, going from zone to zone,
Yeah, going
top to
from
the
zone to
bottom, top
zone.
to the bottom.
So
But let's see though, this should be so rigged, I guess. Feel like it is.
let's see what that next 5-minute candle coming out. So if we close outside the orb with this 5-minute candle, which we about to do, okay,
Wait, you
we
want
close
5
outside
minutes?
the orb. All right.
We're at the 50% area.
Yep.
Mm.
And we haven't got no retracement. That 5-minute candle ain't got no wick on it.
We might get one. Okay, so we're approaching London lows, and that's where I wanted to take a shot at. So, damn.
Did we miss out on this?
Because this is around where I would have wanted to get a. Oh damn! This 5-minute candle
That's
is
flushing.
this in. So, but yeah, that's why I wanted to take an entry at if we breach London.
Yeah.
I wanted to see if we would tap it to reject it and go up. Not outside of it.
Yeah.
Just tapping on it. Tapping.
I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute candle because
Yeah.
it's really rough to get into it right here after it done flushed.
Yeah, we gotta get a
Yeah.
retracement up, huh?
Got to get some sort of
Okay,
retracement
so we
up.
did break out the orb. I guess let's wait for a retest of the orb
Yeah.
then, huh? Yeah, okay, we broke London lows. Damn, that's why I said I want to take the short at too.
Yeah. We gotta wait. Coming for 15-minute come up for a retracement, and then I'll take the short. If we don't get a retracement on the next 15-minute candle, then I wouldn't take the trade.
Yeah. So it looked like it did, yep. So
Yeah.
it did slightly breach it. And now look like we set up for the retracement or what?
Well, I think that the 15-minute candle, looking for it to come back up into the orb for a retracement and
That's
then
the
come
one
back
minute I
down.
was on.
Right now, this 5-minute candle don't have a wick.
Okay.
So-
look like we
I would like to see that next candle come in and retrace back up, and then I'll take the short. If it come back up and just tap the orb right there, I'll take the short back down to the downside.
let's see though how
And-
this 15-minute candle close out though.
Will be target. Target is 29,000 for a short. That would be the target, 29,300. Around in this area.
Yeah, because that's Asia.
That's Asia. Yep,
That's
that'll be
right
Asia.
there. So
So if we take the short, our target gonna be right here by Asia lows, which is 29,300.
depends on where we get in at
God
because
damn,
we're
it
not
is
retesting
I
yet.
know, it's not retested yet.
So shit, we don't get into
Yeah.
Asia lows. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't want to get myself messed up in
Yeah,
this.
it's definitely not a trade to get it right here. Ain't no way you get chopped up because the next candle will come in and come right back up. So always another entry, y'all.
Yeah.
The part of psychology is that you take the FOMO out, the fear of missing out, He's figured, he said, oh man, I missed a trade right at the orb. And you be like, well, you know, hey, it's going to always be other opportunities when you miss a trade.
Key is patience,
The
though.
key is patience.
Okay, so it look like this candle is gonna close outside of London lows for sure.
All right, we got about
I have that marked out too.
10 more seconds before the 15-minute candle comes in. So we looking for the 15-minute candle to come in, go up,
Give us a retracement.
give us a
and then come
retracement,
back down.
and then come back down and take a short.
See if it gives us that.
Okay, here we go.
If it retests London, though, it may not go back to the orb for a retest.
Yeah.
Not if we coming down, you know. Let's see, though.
Okay, here we go. Come on.
That's it?
You got to give us
It's
a little
wick.
more than
It's got
that.
a wick.
Yeah, jeez.
Oh,
That's
baby,
it?
that must be it, huh? Is that
That's it? Oh my goodness,
yeah.
that's it.
That may be it. I don't know. How you feel about it? I ain't all that.
I'm not feeling
You're
it.
not really?
I mean,
I'm gonna take a chance with
you
this.
gonna take a chance with it?
Should I fuck with this? Yeah, we out. We're approaching the
I'm gonna go real low on my contracts, so I don't take a big loss. I'm copy trading on all my accounts right now.
Oh.
Yeah, so I don't wanna take something so big. I just want to see. I want to see it come up a little bit, but that ain't happening. Oh, it's a late entry, huh?
Yeah, shit, we supposed to be getting out the trade around
this area, yep. Yep, it's about to hit 29,300.
Yeah.
Missed out on it. 29,300 is gonna be Asia lows, and we close to Asia lows right now.
Yeah.
Missed it.
Let's wait for that for an entry.
Yeah.
So if we go to Asia and if we break and go low, because the goal is the bottom of the daily, so we got a lot of room to go down. This really the goal.
Yeah.
Here, so.
Yeah.
Okay, we have a minute and a half left in this last 5-minute candle.
Yeah. And we didn't get a real good retracement up. So, I mean, the goal was to probably hit for it to come up and hit the orb and come back down. But it's too far down for me to catch a short.
Well, you got to think about it, babe. Not so much. because this candle started at around about the 50%,
Yeah, about the
and we're at the
50%.
38.20. So
Yeah, not so bad.
yeah, I just don't know if it's gonna break if it's gonna break Asia.
Yeah, I mean, she ain't
Yeah.
playing around, baby.
So we usually will wait for the 9 o'clock candle to be a retracement candle.
Yeah,
And that's what we trade, but this was a continuation. Then again, we only 20 minutes
20 minutes
into
in,
the
yeah.
hour. You don't know what this thing gonna do still. It's a possibility we could tap Asian lows at around about, what's that, 29,300 levels.
Yeah. Damn, this
And
bad
then we
boy
may
don't-
come back up.
This
Let me
bad boy
let
don't
me, let
even
me
have
put a line right
freaking-
there.
Freaking wake on it.
I just want to put a line right there to see if we're gonna break that. Yeah.
Yeah.
If we would have trusted the process, honestly, we'll be getting out right now
Yeah.
because we did. We planned on entering
Way up
at
here.
London lows, which
Yeah.
is about the 50%, outside of the 50%, and we were gonna get out at Asian lows,
Yeah.
right under the 38.20%. And we didn't get the
We didn't
retracement.
get the retracement, so
We just continue down. So I don't know. Okay, we're approaching Asia.
yeah.
We're approaching.
Yeah. So
Will
this
we
was
breach it?
this was our we was looking for
So
this candle to come up to retrace up here a little bit, and it didn't happen. So wasn't gonna take the trade way down here, and
I don't think
now
it
we
will,
coming
though,
down here.
babe.
This
Because this 4-hour candle, like I said, the last 4-hour candle was an indecisive candle and a upward trend, and we did touch yesterday's daily, so that's the top. And when we touch the top, we look for a short to go down, and is doing exactly what it's supposed to do. I guess we just didn't trust the process, huh? So that's the 4-hour.
yeah.
That's what the daily look like.
Daily
Ooh,
retracing down.
daily's indecisive now. But the daily was green.
Their daily was green.
And oh, look, once we hit Asia lows,
Oh,
yeah, that's the
shit. Damn, you right. Look at that daily.
Yeah.
That turn red.
yeah. And so
Oh my goodness.
yeah, so look, that's not according to the higher time frame. That's not a bad entry. This yellow line that I have right there, that's Asian lows, and I say I want to see it breach that, right? If we coming down, because this is the goal.
Right down.
That's
into
not
the
a
daily.
bad entry, but I don't know. It may have to be a short scalp for us because we won't be off the charts by a certain time.
Yeah. I like to see is coming up like this.
Yeah, the retracement we was looking for.
Yeah, retrace what we looking for.
People losing money right now.
Okay, so if you put the film on the beginning of the downward trend all the way down to the bottom here
Let's see. Which chart you
on
on?
the 5-minute, I would like for it to retrace. Wow, it had to go. It would have to probably go all the way back up to at least a 38. But that engulf this previous candle, so I don't know if it's going to engulf it. But it's definitely
Sure.
coming up. That's a retracement I was looking for.
Okay. So we are retracing. Got about 45 seconds left in this candle. Let's see. Will we engulf it?
Me engulf it.
Or equal?
Yeah, or equal.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Well, that's what we wanted to see.
Yeah,
We got so
correction.
much
This is a
yeah.
correction. So, in order to take a shot, I would like for it to go up a little bit like this, right? And then maybe the 930 candle for a continuation to the downside.
We'll have to wait and see. Got 5 more minutes. What's this? Look, yeah. Will this be a retracement to London or the orb? Damn.
See, that's one of the reasons why I didn't want to get into this right down here, is because it would have been a short trade for us, because it would have maybe that one candle scalped that bad boy, and
would have probably lost the play.
probably
If we wouldn't have got out at break even or
Yeah.
something, yeah.
Yeah.
The crazy thing is, for this retest, we have the EME and the VWAP up there.
Mm-hmm.
Going back for, so this the retest we was actually waiting for.
Yeah. Now the question is, if it goes all the way back up, which
To where?
to the up here about 50%, but this
I don't think it's
I don't
gonna
think
go
it's
all the
going
way
to
up
look at
there.
this. It's not even.
I think we're gonna probably retest London lows. I don't even think we're gonna go back to the orb.
I don't think we're going back to the orb either. I think we're gonna probably hit this this EMA up here, maybe.
I don't know, but the last 5 minute
That
candle, we did hit the, what it is, the 38, and we did engulf that last candle. So I don't know.
And again, this bad boy is coming back down. This may be a short entry right here. Because it came, they did a pullback. This is the correction candle, and this is the continuation candle.
But look at how the 30-minute candle looks.
Yeah, this is a continuation candle. See that?
Look at the 30-minute.
Yeah.
That look, I don't know. I don't like that, how that looks. Uh,
30,000, 30,000 is probably 29,300. Wait, 29,300 is the target. That's gonna be Asia lows down there.
I think we might have to pull up and hit a zone or something for it to come back down, because that last 5 minute candle engulfed the other, and we had the, oh, your stuff a different color from mine.
Yeah, she's pulling back up.
I don't like that.
I don't like it. She's pulling out.
Upper shorts.
Yep. She's waking back up. Yep. So I mean, right now we sitting on our hands. We seen the opportunity right here, but we was looking for a retest of the orb. It didn't do that, so it came back down, and now we going. We in the middle of a correction. Look like we going back up for a correction. Yeah. I mean, I would like for us to see it get up here by these EMAs and this VWAP, maybe touch the orb again and come back down. But if it don't do that, then we we sitting on our hands. Maybe this may be a continuation. Cause this might be the correction candle and the continuation
down.
candle. Yeah, continuation down. Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
It looked like
Coming
we
back
missed the entry
down.
back. Feel like we might have missed the entry
No, not
again.
really, because I wouldn't get in it until
Yeah.
we equal, with that. Yeah, we break that, then because that's what the 38 around the 38.
Yeah. So let's see what the 30-minute candle does. I want to see
About to
that.
come in a few seconds.
Yeah. See what the 30-minute candle. Minute come in. Right now we're in the middle of consolidation. Consolidation continuation. But I just yep. Looks like we missed the boat.
I don't think so. I think we're gonna see what it do here. I don't know if we want to go. Yeah, we'll have to. I'll see if we're gonna retest London here. Shit, we got. If we getting to the bottom, we gotta. Okay.
You want to take the shot, or you want to wait?
We don't have a wick on the top of this 30-minute candle, huh?
No.
No, a little wick.
Little wait.
Okay. How many you gonna go low?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't want to. You don't. You what you want to do?
Yeah, I'm sitting on my hands.
You gonna sit on your hand?
Yeah, I'm gonna sit on my hands for the day.
Check what you got, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna sit on my hands. I'm not going. This gonna be a no trade day for me, y'all. Right now, it's just too low for me to get in. My target is the 29,300. I mean, if I could have gotten up here, took an opportunity to get up here and ran it all the way down, but see right here, I would. Yeah, it's definitely too low.
I don't think so, baby. The goal is the end of the day down there.
End of the day down there.
Yeah, we got a long. Look at that. We got all this room to go down there.
Yeah.
This.
And I'm usually the risky one.
Yeah, usually you've been into two trades by now, huh?
I'm usually the risky one, but yeah. The only reason why is because I'm copy trading a bunch of accounts. I'm copy trading on my Apex. I'm copy trading on Top Step right now. So yeah, it's that squeeze up.
We may not. So let me draw a line right here. Damn, are we not?
Yeah. I didn't see my retracement up here. This would have been this would have no. That's why I didn't want to take this trade. That's why I didn't want to take this trade. We got somebody comment. So what do you say? Let's see what this person said in the comments.
So we could actually put a box here.
Yeah.
Because we ranging the 5 minute. Yeah.
Right.
We are ranging. We could put a box there.
Yep. So we say, so regular Douglars are not good at this kind of day trading, right? I read that 95% of the people that try to make a living at this lose money. So Michael, this is one of the reasons why we started this channel. So people that's following us to try to, as beginners, won't become that statistic of the 95%. And you're absolutely right. 95% of day traders do lose money. But you don't have to be in that stat of the 95%. You could learn the basics. And I actually got a video coming out talking about how you could practice day trading for free. Using the live market. I got a video coming out for that. I think this is a stat of 95% of the traders that lose is real, because a lot of traders don't learn the psychology part of trading. They don't learn the strategy part of trading. It's a huge part of
psychology is the skill.
The skill, yes.
You could pretty much grasp that. But yeah,
and I think there's a lot of people. Just say, for instance, this trade right here, right? I didn't see what I wanted. I was looking for a breakout of the orb right here, and I was looking for this candle right here to come back up and retest the orb for me to take the trade. It didn't do that. So psychology for me would tell me don't take this trade. But a lot of people would take this trade, right? And a long time ago, I would have took this trade and I would have got ate up, because see how this candle, this
95%,
and I would have been part of the 95%, because see this green candle right here, this green candle right here I would have lost a trade right here, because you would have either thought about that, okay, this market is doing a reverse, and I've been in drawdown right here. And then the next candle came down. And right now, we stuck in what we call consolidation. So at this point, you just have to learn, take your time and learn the psychology and learn the skill. Yeah. But it seems remarkable, similar to betting live lanes in the NFL. I don't think it's like betting on like the NFL, because here's the thing: when you betting on like sports betting and stuff like that, you don't have no control over the players and what they do.
From
you
a
have control
standpoint.
Right, I mean,
from a win or lose standpoint, but this
you have control over when you enter and exit.
Yeah.
So I mean, you have control over looking at the chart and looking at, is this an A1 trade? And if it's not an A1 trade, then you don't take the trade. Unlike sports betting, you relying on a player stats.
Yeah. This is skill.
This is skill.
This is skill. So that's why some people call it a skill gambling, if that's what you want to call it. But there's skill behind it. Psychology behind it.
Yes.
Okay, so we still in this box. We still ranging in this box.
Yep.
So we are. I don't know, babe.
Yeah, right now we.
This like it's
I don't.
You know what? The 10 o'clock candle.
Yeah, the 10 o'clock candle.
May be the correction candle.
But if you look at it,
the way it's setting up.
But if you look at the 1 hour, the 9 o'clock candle did its thing. I don't expect it to go no further than this at this point. The 10 o'clock candle might come in, retrace a little bit, and then do a continuation. But I mean, at this point, I don't know if the 9 o'clock will give us any more. Because you think about, look at the hourly.
Daily look like
it have
engulfed. Green.
It ain't the 1 hour candle, just this 9 o'clock candle engulfed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 hours worth of candles. So this was the Asia Open. This Asia Open right here, and we did an upward trend for about 12 hours. This one candle just took out almost 10 hours worth of all of these candles. And these are 1 hour candles. So we have a very strong selling pressure right here. The key to the game is for us that we wanted to take the trade way up here by the orb and ride it all the way down. It could have worked out.
We were looking for a retest.
We were looking for a retest, and it didn't happen for us. So this is why we sitting on our hands. And so that's why we sitting on our hands. And the key to the game for trading is that if you don't see your setup, if you don't see what you're looking for, you don't take the trade, because of no trade is a win trade in the day trading game. Like if you don't take a trade, what you're doing is you're preserving your capital. You're not FOMOing. You're not, you don't let your psychology take the best of you. Then if you look at this 1 hour candle, it is too deep to get into a short right here, unless you do a 10, 15 point scalp. And then this is a high risk move at this point, very high risk move. Are we willing to lose money copy trading multiple accounts at this point? Nope. I'm not willing to take that risk.
Yeah, I got multiple accounts set up.
Yeah, I'm copy trading multiple accounts. It's no way I would take that risk at this point. Because it's only Tuesday. So we still have the rest of the week to trade. And sometimes if you look at a lot of professional traders, and I'm not saying we still learning.
Still learning.
But what we learn from professional traders that you don't have to trade every day. Especially if you missed your opportunity, because the market will always give you opportunities. So that's one of the things that I know that in on our trading journey we look at. So it's just one of those things where we miss. Well, I'm not gonna say we missed.
We just didn't see what we were looking for.
What we were looking for. Again, we were looking for is
a retest in the beginning.
Right. We're looking for it to close outside the orb, okay, and then we're looking for a retest back inside the orb, maybe come close to the orb, and then we would have took the trade outside the orb, keep going. Because look, even though we're not orb traders, we look at the orb as guidance, like a confluence, right? Because we'll trade inside the orb if the opportunity give it to us, but since we're not orb traders, we do look at the orb as confluence. We look at the orb as a guide. And so what we was looking for is this candle right here to come outside the orb, close outside the orb, and then the next candle or maybe the next two candles come back up and retest the orb, and then finish doing what it's good. Because if you look at this, we have a fair value gap right here.
Which chart you on?
It's a 5 minute.
5 minutes.
So we have a fair value gap right here from the previous wick to that wick. And that means that we have a whole gap right here that haven't been filled. This is one of the reasons why we was looking for a possible upward trend to fill this gap and then come back down, but it just didn't happen.
But look at this, babe.
Yeah, that thing.
That box I have is.
Yep, I got the box too.
It's sticking.
And guess what's gonna happen? I think this puppy gonna stay like this until the 10 o'clock candle.
Yeah, I think the 10 o'clock candle. So our 9 a.m. Central candle, we always look for that to be the retracement candle, of course, the opposite color of the 8 o'clock. But this was a continuation candle.
Yeah.
Looked like the 10 o'clock candle is going, because the way we kind of setting up.
Yeah.
With the smaller time frame, consolidating. We didn't hit Asia's lows. Yeah.
Yeah. And so for the past 15 minutes, maybe close to 15, 20 minutes, we've been in a consolidation. Well, I'm sorry, maybe 30 minutes now. We've been in this consolidation box right here.
Okay, look like this one is ready to break
she's
out.
Ready to break out, yep.
Yeah. Yeah, the last 30 minutes kind of been like this. That 30-minute candle look good for a flush.
Yeah. Yeah, she's flushing. Gee whiz.
Break outside the box. Yeah, still not approaching.
Yep, London lows. About to hit London.
Asia.
Asia. About to hit Asia. Yep.
Okay.
And there she go. Bam.
Trying to give me a few little points off of there.
Yeah. Yeah, we got the 945 candle come in. Yeah, we still in a downward trend. I said this yesterday. I said that if this market don't breach the 61.8, then we coming down, and that's exactly what the market did. It didn't breach it went up, wicked a little bit up to 61.8, and then it's coming back down. And if you look at the
I
daily,
just want to see it.
yeah, this daily candle, this bad boy is coming down, retracing back down. Now, if I wanted to trade this daily candle for the rest of the day, I'd get in. This is probably a good entry to probably get in and
I
ride this
just
bad
ride
boy
it
all the
out.
way down.
Yeah.
So the oracle is in the trade. Trying to get a few points.
Yeah, it's working out for me.
Yay.
Very careful though with this because I'm trading across multiple accounts. So
Yep.
that is. Come on, give it to me.
There you go. I decided not to take the trade.
Got that.
There you go.
Took that off.
Took that off. All right.
Okay.
Right at the 23.6.
It's Asian right there. That's
Yep,
why I have
that's
that line.
Asian.
Wait.
There you pass Asian.
No, past that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
past Asian.
yeah. That's the 23 point.
23.6.
Yeah.
Right at the 23.6.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah,
Looks like she's
yeah,
going
yeah,
down
yeah.
into the daily.
I told you that's the goal, huh?
That's
That's the goal. I don't know if I want to mess with it though no more.
Yeah.
I'm good.
Yep.
That was sweet.
That was sweet.
15. Okay, so the 15-minute chart, we haven't had a correction.
We haven't had a correction. I mean, we had consolidation. We had a
did,
breakout.
Yeah. So that could be
That's
down. Yeah. What you thinking, babe? You're not. There's no trade for you.
yeah. That's a no trade there for me. As much as I'm thinking that this bad boy could come all the way down to the daily,
It should.
the problem is that 10 o'clock candle might come up for a retracement and put me in deep drawdown and then come back down. I don't know if I want to take that drawdown because
Damn, look at that.
you know,
That looks so good.
yeah, and so. Yeah, we about to look like the next thing is the daily. Now I would go real low on my contracts to and be like 1 or something. So it won't be like a 52.
Yeah.
You know, Yeah, maybe 2 or 1, just to minimize the risk. But no, I don't even want to do it because I don't want to. I'm looking at the RSI. The RSI is at 15
Wait,
right
what is
now.
this? Because we have, is that, oh, that must be, this is
That's what 2 days ago, huh?
London. I don't know what I have that out for.
That's the daily low. This is yesterday's low
Oh,
down here. We have
whoa.
a Monday. We have a Monday low. What yesterday? Yeah, well, I'm
Look
sorry.
at
So it's
that.
gonna be about 12, 1 o'clock. Anybody that tell you that this market is not on the downward trend is it's
We're
this
on
market
the
is on a
downward
downward
trend.
trend. Market on a downward trend. You know, um, the yesterday's candle was a retracement up from the on a higher time frame. Yesterday was just a retracement. This is why I don't want to pass the 61.8, because if it passes 61.8, then it'll be a reversal. But since we're at the 61.8, it's not a reversal. This is a continuation to the downside.
Which
Yeah.
time frame you on?
This is daily.
The daily, okay. Yeah, that looks good. So yesterday would have been considered a
A
correction.
correction. Yeah, yesterday would be considered a correction. So we've broke, looked like we broke structure with Friday's candle. Monday's candle was a correction.
Yeah.
Today's candle is a continuation. Now it fakes people out because Asia and London was on an upward trend. And New York say, hey, this is we selling off here. Yeah, we selling off.
Wow.
The target is the daily low down here. We got the daily low and the weekly low down here.
That's it. That's the goal.
That's the goal. down
Every
there.
day, market should go from the top to the bottom, bottom to the top. Okay, we're getting squeezed up.
Yeah, we
Back
getting
to
a
the
little.
23.6.
Yeah, because I'm looking at the RSI. The RSI is way into the 20s. And that is so low for the RSI down there. RSI usually don't go that low. So it has to come up right here. It's going to come up past this red line and then go up about right there. Then this might come back down. See the RSI? See it started
That's the
down there.
highs, yeah.
That's the highs. But this is the lows. And the RSI usually range between 30 and 80, around in that area, but we way down at 25. It ain't going no lower than that. So this is why we getting an upward trend right now. This is a correction candle. I wouldn't be surprised if that go all the way back up to Asia. Well, maybe not, because the sellers are strong right now. The sellers are strong.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is a strong selling market. I mean, you think about it, we got all these fair value gaps right here. We got a fair value gap right here on the 5 minute. We got a fair value gap right here on this 5 minute. We got a fair value gap right here on this 5 minute. And so we got all
Gaps
these
everywhere, huh?
You got gaps everywhere. So this is why you know that it's a high selling. It's a selling market right now.
That's crazy.
Here we about 8 minutes before the top of the hour. One thing about fixing your psychology, and I don't know, Michael, if you still in the building, is that day trading is difficult because you have to program your mind. anybody else, the old me, maybe about a year ago, would have seen some of this, and I would have traded 3 or 4 times in this right here. Now I could have won. Maybe if I got in this consolidation, I would have lost.
We would have took a couple of trades.
Would have took a couple of trades in this. But part of psychology is knowing when you adamant about looking for your A1 setup, looking for your play, looking for the opportunity, and if you don't see it, then your mind goes into, should I take the trade? Should I not take the trade at this point? Because you're thinking about risk management, and you don't know how this market's going to run when you get to this point, because this is a live market. And right now we're retracing up because the RSI is way in the 20s. So the 9 o'clock candle have done its job. The point of a trader is to try to get into a candle in the beginning, not at the end. And since we only trade the 9 o'clock candle, our strategy is to try to get in the upper section of the 9 o'clock candle and ride it all the way down. But since we didn't see our setup on a 15-minute time frame, we decided not to get in the trade.
Look at that squeeze up though.
Mm-hmm.
If you're on a 15-minute
Yeah.
chart.
15-minute chart. Yeah, it squeezed up. The 5-minute got some green candles. 5-minute, yep.
Yeah. So I might stall out right
Yeah,
there.
it might stall out because we 4
So
minutes.
that's it for me. I don't
Yeah.
plan on taking no more trades today. I got that and I'm satisfied with that. Shoot, it might be about the range again in that area.
Yep. All right, y'all. So the Oracle took 1 trade, so she green for the day. I took no trades today. So I'm preserving my capital. We just wait for tomorrow now and go from there. All right.
That's it.
Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell. We'll see y'all guys tomorrow. It's June 9th, Tuesday, 2026. And we are out of here.